In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Waze without internet by guiding you through the offline mode setup. If you frequently rely on Waze for navigation but sometimes find yourself in areas with spotty connectivity, this guide will be a game changer. Waze doesn't have a true offline mode, nor does it allow you to download maps like some other navigation apps. However, there's a clever workaround that can ensure you aren't left stranded if you lose signal during a drive. Here's how you can navigate smoothly even when you're offline. First, you'll want to connect your device to a reliable Wi-Fi network or ensure you have a strong mobile data connection. This step ensures that Waze can cache the map and directions you need for your journey. With your internet connection ready, open the Waze app on your device. Now in the search bar, type in your desired destination. It's crucial to make sure the address or waypoint you're entering is correct, as this will be part of what gets cached for your offline use. Once you've entered your destination, go ahead and tap the Go button to initiate the navigation process. This is a critical step because it triggers the app to calculate your route. You'll need to wait a moment for Waze to load the full route completely. You can even scroll through the route at this point, making sure that every turn and road segment is visible. While Waze is primarily an online tool, once the whole route is loaded, the app effectively caches the necessary data for your journey. This means you can now drive as you normally would. And if you happen to lose your internet connection at any point, Waze will continue to provide turn-by-turn directions using the cached data. It's like having a backup just in case you find yourself in an area with a weak or no signal. A couple of tips to remember: ensure that your device's battery is sufficiently charged before starting your journey, since keeping your screen on for navigation can drain power quickly. Another useful suggestion is to periodically check for any recent road changes or updates to your planned route when you're still connected to the internet to avoid any unexpected detours. By following these steps, you can make the most of Waze's capabilities even when offline. This approach won't give you new live traffic updates or alternative routes due to traffic, but it will certainly keep you on the right path till you regain a connection. Enjoy worry-free navigation with Waze, whether you're cruising through mountain paths or exploring remote highways. Safe travels!